Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Centre. Please join us in conversation.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. I got to tell you, it's an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with the good people of the Automotive Training Centre right here in Surrey, British Columbia. These folks get the importance of focused learning that lead to jobs out at the other end. I've had the pleasure of talking to students, instructors, staff, everybody in the conversation, all for the benefit of growing our economy, making sure people get the right education for the right jobs at the right moment, and that's what this is all about. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself and tell me what program you're in right now?
My name is Harvey Martin-Jody. Right now I'm a program like automotive service program, and this is my first year, and then I was supposed to be graduate in September 2019.
Harvey, had you always been passionate about cars and things like that?
To be honest, because my background is fashion.
Okay.
So I graduated in a fashion school.
Okay.
And I thought that was my passion, because I like to drive a lot. So since after this, I couldn't find a job in the fashion industry. So I wanted go back to school to learn about cars because I love cars so much. So that's why I came to the school.
Wow. So you left the fashion industry, said I'm going to retrain myself to learn about cars. How's it going so far?
So far it's pretty good. At first, I was kind of lost at the beginning because I didn't know anything. So now everything is become more easy for me to understand it, and when you do the module, everything has become very easy for me to do.
What do you attribute the learning to? Is it because your instructors sort of are great to pass on their knowledge?
The teacher is really good, so he show you pretty much everything. If you're stuck somewhere, so he will help you, and then so you can learn by yourself with the module help a lot, and then when you do it and touch it with your hand, it's much better.
Yeah. So you're one of those people that like to touch things, right? Yeah. Probably comes from your fashion. Did you design clothes and stuff like that?
I do, because when I was in school for the fashion, so I have to twist everything, make the part and everything. So it's better, it's like in hand, touch it and you do it.
Right.
So it's because me, I like to touch the stuff.
Yeah.
Because for me, it's just when I read it, it's good, but I would like to touch it to make it happen.
You're not alone. A lot of people learn that way. They want to put their hands on things to learn that way. And they get that here, don't they? They understand the importance of getting your hands into things.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you hope to, what job do you hope to go to when this is all over?
I hope that I can get the job, because I pay for the school, so I'm hoping that I can get the job at the end of the day. Because that's what I'm doing. That's why I came to the school to learn, so I can learn by myself and go to a shop and work for them. So I can, maybe in the future, the more I learn, so I can open my own business in the future. But I just want to learn more about the mechanic.
You know, there'd be a lot of people out there that are shifting careers, just like you did, from fashion to automotive, and they're not sure that they could do it. What would you tell them? What would you say to somebody who's thinking about going back to school?
Never be afraid. Because I was afraid at first, but I said to myself, don't be afraid. Just go back to school and just learn something new. So that's my motivation. Just keep going. It never stop. Keep learning stuff.
Yeah, I love that. That's a great message to send. Really appreciate you being in the conversation. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcenter.com.